Hey everybody, it's Groggy D. Split Decision by Phantom. This is a 12 shot, almost 2-inch bore cake. It stands about as tall as a Noab, so they keep it in that section, in the finale section where the two finales are. This has some very interesting tails leading up to some multicolored breaks. I don't know if you call them half and half, but that's another cake you might want to get called the Phantom Half and Half cake. This might be a little different, a little better. But let's go check it out. Split Decision Phantom, 12 shots, 2-inch bore.